Welcome to AssistMyTeam software. In this demonstration, we will explore how to use the AssistMyTeam PDF Splitter app to split your PDF document into multiple smaller files by page ranges or by bookmarks. Once installed, the app can be launched from your Windows Start menu. This is the PDF Splitter app. Let us open a PDF document. Here, the app shows all the pages of the PDF document as small thumbnail preview in rows. There are two ways you can split the large PDF into smaller ones. Chapter 1. Split PDF document by pages count. The first one is to split by pages count, where you specify the number of pages to split. This will create multiple smaller PDF files with same number of pages count. That is, the app will automatically calculate the number of smaller PDF files that is possible with that specified number of pages. For example, if the larger PDF file has 30 pages and you specify 5 pages to split for the smaller PDF file, the app will output 6 smaller PDF files, each PDF file containing 5 pages. When you're ready to split, click this button. This will prompt you to choose the PDF naming scheme for smaller PDF files after the split. For this demonstration, let us choose the first one, which is Name the PDF Files by Iteration. And so, here are the 6 smaller PDF files that we got by splitting the original PDF document. Chapter 2. Split PDF document by bookmark. The second option is to split the larger PDF file to smaller PDF files by bookmarks if present. For example, here, our PDF document has a total of 30 pages. And we click the Bookmarks button, we see that it has 5 bookmarks. The Split button on the extreme upper right section will show the number of smaller PDF files in brackets that will be generated based on the chosen split parameter. So, if we split this PDF by each bookmark, we will get 5 smaller PDF files. And the first PDF file will have 2 pages. The second PDF file will have 6 pages. The third PDF file will have 5 pages. The fourth PDF file will have 12 pages. And the final 5th PDF file will have 5 pages. We can also rename or edit the bookmark, if required, before splitting. Just right-click the page and click Edit Bookmark. And make the changes. Now, let us continue with the split. This will prompt you to choose the PDF naming scheme for smaller PDF files after the split. Here, I want to name the smaller PDF files by their bookmarks. Splitting a large PDF into smaller files makes it easier to send, upload, and manage the document, as smaller file sizes generally transfer faster and are less cumbersome to work with, especially when dealing with email attachments or online platforms with file size limitations. In short, it allows you to send only the relevant sections of a large document instead of the whole thing at once. This concludes this video demonstration. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us at support@assistmyteam.com.